guys, this is a quick thank you video to the 400,000 people of you. You are my subscribers. Yesterday I discovered that we are now over 400,000 subscribers. This is a number that I've never ever in my wildest dreams dreamt of having. I'm blessed and I'm honored and I'm so grateful, and I want to return the kindness to you. I can't show you enough gratitude and appreciation for your continuous support over these years. We are now over 10 years, 11 years actually, that I've uploaded my first ever video, and a lot of my videos reached already 2 or 3 million views. This is something that I couldn't have expected, or I can never get used to these numbers. I really can't never ever get used to these numbers. And if you have seen my face yesterday when I discovered that we are suddenly more than 400,000 views, you would have really understood how grateful I am and how surprised I am from this. I'm really thankful for you, for putting your trust in me, for learning the language with me, for coming to my courses in the Holy Land, for my intensive courses, and going back home and speaking about the wonderful experience you've had and how good my teaching method is and how many things you can learn during my courses. I'm really grateful. I'm thankful. I want to say shukran from the bottom of my heart. I'm speechless. I know I've been neglecting my channel for the past 2 weeks, but it's for a good cause, because I've been teaching my language in Nazareth. I finished teaching 20 wonderful students from all around the world, and now I'm busy teaching my second course for this month in Akko, which is a Palestinian dialect, Shami dialect. So I've been neglecting you a little bit, my online students, but I've been putting all my really self into pouring everything I can into teaching my students here. But I'm grateful, I'm really thankful, and I want just to show you that I'm never ever going to leave my channel. You are my strength. You've been supporting me and showering me with love and with messages and support, good feedback throughout these years, and I'm really blessed. One of my first videos, I made it from here, from home. I'm in my village now, my dad's in front of me, and thankful to you that I'm able to share this happiness and this success also with them, with parts of my family. I'm getting emotional. I love doing what I'm doing. I love teaching my language. I love seeing that people are able to learn from my videos and from my courses, and I'm going to continue. This is how I'm going to show my gratitude to you, which is I'm going to continue with my courses online, especially in a few days. I'm going to finish with my intensive course, Shami dialect, and I'm going to continue with a lot of new videos. I'm never forgetting you, because when I'm taking my students around in like Nazareth or Jerusalem, the Dead Sea, or the West Bank, I'm always taking my camera with me, making vlogs, preparing for a lot of material that's about to come. So this is a way to show my gratitude to you. I really thank you. We are a big family now, and I have a lot of responsibility. More than 400,000 people are subscribed to my channel, so I have to show love back, and yeah, so expect a lot of new videos coming your way. I have more news for you. I'm finishing writing finally the English version of my book, my standard beginner Arabic course. In the next few months you will have news, and maybe it will be out, and I'll be able to sell it to you. I want my dad, he made part in many of my videos, my past videos, and I'm glad that he's here. So I'm gonna finish soon with my book. I have another news, which is I'm writing my second book also with Feltrinelli for Italian. Se siete italiani, sto scrivendo il secondo libro sulla lingua araba, allora aspettatelo, uscirà a settembre, inshallah. So this is the other news for my Italian students. I'm writing my second book with the same big publishing house, and I'm so blessed. I have a lot of projects. Apart from writing the 2 books, I have already fixed my next courses in Nazareth. I'm gonna give you just the first date. so you can you have the ability to pre-apply and save your spot in the course. My next course, standard beginner Arabic course, will be in Nazareth in the 1st of July. 1st of July, in a couple of months. I'm gonna start a new 2-week intensive Arabic course in Nazareth. I'm going to send you all the links possible and all the info and prices and everything in the description box. I would like to make a giveaway to you. I'm going to give away my book, Instant Arabo, signed by me, and a bread pan, because you've been showering me with questions and requests on how to get the Arabic bread pan to make the fluffy rghif Arab bread. I'm going to give away one bread pan. I want you just to share this video with your friends on your social media, on Facebook mainly. I will see if you shared it. So yeah, thank you so much, really thank you for your support. Please expect a lot of new videos from me. Don't lose your trust in me because I neglected you for 2 weeks. I apologize, but I told you I was super busy preparing for my courses and teaching my courses. In a couple of days they are going to be over and you are going to be showered. I used showered a lot today. Showered with new videos and new content on my channel. I'm putting really everything into teaching and to passing a good message of bonding between people, bringing people together, opening eyes on what's going on in the world around you. And I'm blessed that I'm having people like you trusting my program, learning my language and my culture, following me on YouTube. I know a lot of you professors are showing my videos in your classes, in your Arabic classes, in the university, in colleges. So I really thank you. I'm blessed and I'm really honored. And a way to show my gratitude is going to be my consistency in making and creating more useful content to you, and I'm going to do it in a way to say thank you. Shukran, and I will see you very soon in a new Arabic lesson here on Learn Arabic with Maha. From me, Maha, I'm going to say shukran, and I'm going to kiss you, and I'll tell you ma'a salama. Shukran. Learn Arabic with Maha.